Welcome. If you're experiencing the frustrating issue of Gmail logging you out on your PC, especially after a recent update, don't worry. Here are some effective steps you can take to resolve this problem and stay connected to your email. Step 1. Refresh the Gmail web page. Start by refreshing your Gmail page. Simply click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the logout issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, ensure that your internet connection is stable. From the notifications area on your screen, click on the network icon to check if you're connected. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to frequent logouts. Step 3. Close and reopen your browser. If refreshing didn't help, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. This can clear up any session-related issues that might be causing Gmail to log you out unexpectedly. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can do wonders. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. This helps reset any underlying issues affecting your browser or network settings. Step 5. Clear your browser cache and cookies. If the problem persists, clearing your browser's cache and cookies is a crucial step. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of your browser to open the menu. Select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data. This action can help eliminate corrupted files that may be causing login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem of Gmail logging you out frequently on your PC. If you continue to face difficulties, consider checking for updates for your browser or trying a different one altogether. Stay connected with your emails without interruptions.